Now we are going to learn about a ads, in the sense how to create a ads in a Google, paid ads. It is not a pre ads, paid ads, like when someone's searching for a courses. Here these are the search ads has been shown. Okay, if someone's searching for a hair oil, the shopping ads has been shown. And if someone's searching anything in a Google, in a YouTube, again you will get a ads. These are the video ads. Okay, these are the video ads. Here you can see ad, and on side also they will be showing a search ads. Okay, these are the different types of the ads we can create in a Google by using a Google ad account. Google ad account. How to go to the Google ad account? In If you are gone through the videos related to the keyword planner, you already maybe created a Google ad account. If you haven't created, go through the keyword planner videos and learn how to create a Google ad account. Once you have been created a Google Ads account, we have to come back to here, Google Apps, scroll down. Here you will have a Google Ads. Select that Google Ads, get started. It will load your Google Ad account. Once your Google Ad account is loaded, Google Ad account is loaded, just go to this menu option here. Go to menu option and select this one, Google Ads. Select this one, Google Ads. You haven't created any campaigns till now. We will start with the creating a campaign. Start with the creating a campaign. Campaign is nothing but a creating a ads. Which category of ads? Entire thing. For example, you are running a hair oil campaign, or your target audience, everything you have been set in a campaign. Within a campaign you can create a more than two ads, three ads also. You can create a groups also, ad groups also. Ad groups is nothing but all hair oil related ad will be one ad group. All bicycle related ads will be one ad group. Like that you can create a, for each product, different ads, and those ads are, each product ads are grouped together, ad group. Okay, in a single campaign you can run a such multiple ad groups. In the sense, in a single campaign, like campaign may be a promoting your brand, that may be a campaign. Okay, then within that campaign we can promote all the products also. Right, same way we'll show you how to create a campaign. You will understand better then. Start with a creating a campaign. Okay, select here on left hand side, campaign. Once you selected a campaign, there is no campaign has been right now. You haven't created any campaign. First you have to create a campaign. Here we can select this one plus mark, here plus icon, or you can go to here new campaign. Both are same. If you click on here, it will ask, would you like to create a campaign? Here also you can click and select new campaign. Select that new campaign. First, here we have to understand what are the different types of campaigns are there. Majorly we have a three, six different types of the campaigns. Otherwise you can also select your own way of reaching a customer also. Here we have a sales campaign. Sales campaign is nothing but this kind of the ad will be shown. If you are creating a sales campaign, along with the price, the where the link for a purchase also will be given for a sales campaign. And second comes the leads campaign. Leads is the same way the sales campaign, it is also sales campaign, but here what will happen, you will be not be having a link to convert directly from the online. In the sense, the customer will not able to purchase your product online. You will show the contact us form. Okay, once a customer contacted, you will call up him and you will be converting them. That is called as the lead kind of the campaign. In the sense, if you are not in a online, You are not selling products in online, then you can go with the leads. If you are selling online, you can go with the sales. Then one more, it is a website traffic. In the sense, you have been launched a new website, and your customer need to visit your websites. From there, you are giving a information like your product details, service details, everything you will be, like to explain through your website only. Then you will be selecting a website traffic campaign. Then it comes to the product and brand consideration. In the sense, here mainly the display or video ads will be given to penetrate in terms of the ads. Okay, in the sense your brand to be penetrated by using a product and brand consideration. And these are same, both are almost same campaign type. Okay, but here we can reach much more audience. Here it will be a only those who are searching for your product will be shown. Okay, that is a product or brand consideration. Here it is a brand awareness and reach. In the sense, overall your brand will be reached, not only a single product. You may be having a 10 to 15 product you are manufacturing, or you are distributing in a one brand name. Then we will be using a brand awareness and reach. When we are using product or brand consideration, single product if you are pushing, for example, you are the manufacturer of the bicycle as well as a hair oil, but only now you are planning to uh, penetrate in a hair oil, then we will consider a product and brand consideration. When we are select a brand awareness, when you are planning to penetrate your entire company. In the sense, you will not be concentrating only one product, entire company name you would like to penetrate, or you can like to promote your company name to your audience, to reach your audience. Then we are selecting a brand awareness and reach. Then app promotion is nothing but if you have created an app. Okay, you would like to make them to download, your customer to download the app, then we will be using a app promotion campaigns. Okay, these are the different types of the campaigns are there. Okay, you can select which campaign is suitable for you. Select one particular campaign based on your requirement. Would you like to promote a product or your brand, or you like to sell online or sell offline, or only website traffic? Like that you can select one particular brand or one particular uh, this one. In the sense, one particular campaign type you have to select. Within that campaign you can run two type of the campaigns here. One is the display ads, second one is the video ads. Display ads are nothing but these are the display ads. Here it will be displayed in your the search pages. Okay, on a side it will be displayed. The video ads are nothing but when you're playing a video, first one video will come, skippable video, 5 second video will come, you can skip also. Such video ads if you like to run, you can select a video ad. This one is a video ad, one is the display ad. If you are selecting a product promotion, it will be same. If you are selecting a website traffic, either you can use a search ad. Search ads are nothing but these ads are search ads when it is appear on a left hand side of your search page. Okay, and second, display ad. Again, this is a display ad, right side it will be shown small ad. Shopping ads are nothing but these ads are shopping ads where your product, your link as well as the price, everything will be shown. And video ads are nothing but these ads. This is nothing but
I've used the new Wix logo maker.
this is a video ad. And discovery ad is nothing but whenever you are someone any of the platform, here you can read that one, YouTube, Gmail, or Discover and more. Everywhere it will be shown your ad, not only in a Google search page and YouTube page. Everywhere it will be in a Gmail, Discover, everywhere it will be shown your ad. Okay, so based on your requirement, if you have a video kind of the if you have a video to show, then you select a video ad. If you have only a website to be reached, so you can select a search ad. Okay, if you are planning to give the shopping ad, in the sense with the price everything, then we'll select the shopping ad. We'll first try with the search ad, then here it will say continue. Okay, continue. Now we have to leave. Okay, here campaign name we have to give. What type of the campaign it is? I have been given a website traffic search campaign. We have been selected a name for it is the website traffic search. Okay, in that your ad will be shown in a search networks as well as in a display networks, including this Google as well as a Google search partners also it will be shown. Then you can go to the show more setting here. Go to show more setting. Here you can select start and end date for your ad, from when you would like to start. For example, you can select the start from a 30th, or you can say start from a 1st of the October. Okay, and the end date also you can give, like from 1st of the October to 10th of the October. 10 days your ad will be run, and your ad will start from a 1st of the October. Like this you can give the start date and end date. Also you can give the ad schedules. Okay, ad schedules are nothing but a when to be your ad to be displayed, all days or only on weekends. Okay, or only on Saturday to Saturday and Sunday. Okay, or Monday to Friday. Okay, like that you can select the uh, dates as well as a time. Okay, if you're selecting a Monday to Friday, you can select the time also, from which time to night, from morning or evening. Like that you can select the time. Okay, evening only, like 4 o'clock to, we'll select a, okay, 10 o'clock. Like this you can you irrespective of your like what way you are doing. Okay, marketing, based on that we can select a time also. Okay, at that particular time only your ads will be shown. Okay, other time, rest of the time your ads will not be shown. On Saturday Sunday your ad will not be shown. On Monday to Friday again, up to till 4 o'clock, evening 4 o'clock it will not be shown. After 10 o'clock also it will not be shown. And you can add one more setting also, like on Saturday and Sunday. Okay, on Saturday and Sunday I would like to show it from end to end, in the sense whole day, or we can say on Saturday and Sunday start from a morning 8 till night 8 o'clock. Like this we can give the ad schedules, in the sense at that particular time only your ad will be displayed. Additional these two settings you can do in your campaign, for your campaign. Then it comes to the targeting and audience. Okay, targeting and audience. Here we have to check to whom we are targeting. To whom we are targeting, here we can say that, okay, I'm going to target all countries and territories. No, I would like to enter another location. Okay, I would like to enter my own location. And you already in if you're going to the videos related to keyword planning, there you have been checked which are the location I need to. In location analysis you may have had a clear idea about which are the location I would like to target my product. So we can say advanced search here, enter another location. If you selected India, entire India it will be shown. All countries and territories everywhere in a world it will show. Enter another location, in the sense only location you have been selected. We'll go to advanced search to search the locations. Like you can search the location by using a country or city name or a region name or postal code also. For example, we will select a, like a Hyderabad, then Bangalore, Mumbai. We'll select a main metropolitan cities. Delhi, Chennai. Okay, these are the some of the five cities we have been selected. You can count here how many reaches from each city you will be expected. Okay, and radius also you can set in each location. Radius you can set within a from center. Okay, 20 kilometer or 25 kilometer from the city center. Only you like to target. Okay, radius also you can do, and these are the five locations we have been selected. Then save. Okay, then location options, what it is there, yeah, here you can target people who interest in your locations targeted, and people in excluded locations. The location which you have been not selected will not be shown your ad. That's about a location setting we have to do. Then language setting, in the sense customer which language they are speaking, based on that also you can select, like here. Okay, you can select like I would like to Marathi speaking, um, and Kannada speaking, Tamil, because we have been selected a regions, right? Then we will select a Telugu. Like this, the regional languages also we have been selected. Even Hindi also will select, so that all major languages we have been selected. Okay, where we have been targeted, right? Which are the target we have been targeted in that target. Okay, we have been selected a language related to those targeted locations. Then you can select the audience. Okay, audience also you can change the audience. You can uh, here browse. You can change the audience based on a demographic wise. Okay, parents, like parent infant, like this we can also change. Okay, we can go with a in market. Okay, in market audience, like those who are searching for the, we are running an ad for for example hair oil, then what to be consumer product. Okay, we can say the beauty and personal care product. Okay, those audience only will be selected. Okay, those audience will be there. In the sense it will not be shown to all of them. Okay, only the they have been shown interest in these products, for them only it will be given your product. Okay, like this we can select the audience also. We can select the audience also. Okay, then it comes to a budgeting. Okay, here budgeting, for example, how much you would like to spend on each day. Okay, for example, you are planning with a 150 rupees on each day. Okay, this is the initial planning you are doing, 150 rupees for each day. And strategy, which bidding strategy you are using. Okay, bidding strategy is nothing but, do you like to take a clicks, okay, or like a conversion value, or conversion, but recommended is a clicks. Okay, in the sense you are planning to get a website traffic, so if someone click, then only it will be counted. Okay, and here set a maximum cost per click. We can select a maximum cost per click. In the sense, I don't want a keyword which is cost around 5 rupees and above. Like this we can say that, okay, within a 5 rupees only, the one click should cost 5 rupees at max. Okay, on an average it may be 1 rupee, 2 rupee, but at max it should be cost 5 rupee only. Okay, like that we can select the strategy, or you can select the bidding your own strategy also you can select by selecting here. Okay, you can select the strategies like maximizing a clicks, or maximizing a conversion, or target info, impression share, or return on as the AdSense. okay, and target CPA, okay, cost per acquisition, okay, return on ad spend, or maximize the click you can select. Okay, like this also you can select a maximize the click strategy is nothing but we are planning to utilize entire 150 rupees budget just to click only, not for any other things. Okay, for that reason we have been selected a maximize clicks. Okay, like this you can select the strategies. We have to select a strategy based on your campaign type. Then it comes to a more setting. Here anyhow ad rotation everything will be already default selected, so leave as it is, not to change anything here in a setting. Then add extension also. If you are you're making a shopping ads, then you can give a extensions also, like a 50% off, those call out extensions, like someone can call your number. Okay, these extensions also you can add. Okay, you can add extensions, but for the first ad no need to give add extensions and all. Then we have to say save and continue, save and continue. Once you have been done with all the settings, then we have to say save and continue. Now your ad campaign has been created. Okay, your ad campaign has been created. Okay, we'll learn about a ad group in a next video.